Hi there, welcome you all to the second part of the tutorial Natai Varnam. If you are okay with the first part where I have taught you the Arohana, Avrohana, Pallavi and Pallavi, those things, you can try this one. Chittaswara, or known as Muktai Swaram. First, as always, the Raga Lakshanam, Natai. It is the Janya Raga of 36 male Artha Raga Chalanatai. Sampurna Vakra Raga, Upanga Raga, and the Swarasana Shadja, Shatsru Rishabha, Andaragandhara Shuddha Madhyama Panjama, Shatsru Devada, Kakali Nishata. The Arohana goes like this. Sari Gama Pada Nisa Avarohana. Sari Pama Gama Ri Sa Ri Sa. Chittaswaram is almost having the size of Pallavi and Anupalli, the combination. 4 talam is needed. Here, starting with the Shadja, with the Dirgha, it is having Dirgha. It is having a slide from Panjama. Pa, sa, sa, okay. Sa, ni, pa. Nishad is having a step down. Sa, ni, sa, ni, pa. Next Panjama, no usage. After that, again a Nishada comes in, which is having Pasa and it's a Gamaga. Sa, ni, pa. From this Panjama, Reza. Here, push it all the way up to Shatshrudha Rishabha. Otherwise, you will be singing Chadar Shrudhi Rishabha. Shatshrudha Rishabha, Chadar Shrudhi Rishabha. Don't get confused. Sa, ni, pa, Reza, ni, pa. After that Shatshrudha Rishabha, it is a Shadja, no usage, plain. Ni, pa. Again, that's next is the Nishadam. Step down. Sa, ni. That's it. Pa, Panjama plain. Then, okay, let me sing that. Sa, ni, pa, Reza, ni, pa, sa, ni. Shadja, having a slide from Panjama, pa, sa. Then a Nishada with a one Dirkha. Step down. Ni, pa, ma. No usage. That's a Nishada is having a step down. Sorry. Dirkha is having nothing. Okay, just give us a time. Sorry. Pa, ma. Panjama Madhyama play. Ni, pa. From this Madhyama, don't give a Gamaga. Ma, ni. It's a straight slide of Nishada from Madhyama to Nishada. Ni, pa. Panjama Gamaga. Ni, sa, pa, pa. It is having 2 Durga. Ma, pa, ma, ri, sa. Ma, pa, ma, ri, sa. This is a common phrase now. Ma, Madhyama plain. Pa, pa, ni, pa. Ma, pa, ma. Ri. Ma, pa, ma, ri, sa. Rishabha having only vibrato. Sa. Let me sing that again. Sa, ni, pa, ri, sa, ni, pa, sa, ni, pa, ma, ri, pa. Ma, pa, ma, ri, sa, ri, ga, ma, pa, da, ri. Next portion. From that Shadja, only a slide is needed. Ri, ga, ma. It helps you to find the position of Shatshrudha Rishabha. Re, ga, ma. Gandhara Madhyama plain. Re, ga, ma. Then, ga, ma. Gandhara is having Gama. Sama, ga, ma, pa. Madhyama Panjama plain. Ga, ma, pa, da, ri. Daivada is having. This is a copy. This is a copy of the previous portion also. Daivada is having a slide from Panjama. Pa, da, ni. Nishada straight. In one stretch it goes like this. Sa, ni, pa, ri, sa, ni, pa, sa, ni, pa, ma, ni, pa. Ma, pa, ma, ri, sa, ri, ga, ma, pa, da, ri. Then, next portion. Sa, ni, sa, pa. Shadja is having a slide from Panjama. Pa, sa, ni, sa. Next Nishada having sa, ni. Step down. Next Shadja plain. Sa, ni, sa, pa. Panjama having Gamaga. Ni, sa, pa. Sa, ni, sa, pa. Ni, ma, pa, ni. Ni, ma, pa, ni. Nishada is having Gamaga. Pa, sa, ni. Madhyama having slide from Nishada. Ni, ma. Ni, ma, pa, ni. Then next a Panjama, no usage. After the again a Nishada comes in, which is also having a Gamaga. Pa, sa, ni. From that Nishada, slide down to Gandhara. I will sing. sa re sa pa, then ni ma pa ni ga, ni ma pa ni ga. Okay, do one thing. No need to repeat that gamaga all the time of nishada. The first time if you gave a gamaga, second time give a slide. Pa sa ni, first nishada. Pa pa sa ni. Yeah, second time the slide starts from panjama. Earlier we gave a gamaga of nishada which starts from panjama. Pa sa ni. Here we are giving a slide from panjama. Pa ni ni. That's it. When combined it will be sa ni sa pa ni ma pa ni ga. Gandhara give a gamaga. Ni sa ga. Ma pa ma ri sa ma pa ma. That's a copy. Madhyama playing. Pa pa ni pa ma pa ma pa ma ri sa Rashaba ri sa vibrato sa Shadja playing. Nishada is having ni sa ni hammer ni sa ni Shadja playing. Next nishada sani step down ni sa ni ri sa. Rashaba having a gamaga sa ma ri are the anusaras of Rashaba. Ri sa ni sa ni ri sa. Rashaba having one dirk also, so gamaga will be slow. Ni sa ni ri sa ma ga ma pa ma ga. Madhyama having a slide from Shadja sa ma ga. Gandhara having step down ma ga ma pa. Madhyama panjama plain. Ni ma pa ni pa sa ni. That's a gamaga of nishada. Ni ma. Madhyama having a slide from ni ma nishada. Ni ma pa. Next madhyama. That madhyama, only one madhyama is there. That madhyama is having a slide from nishada to madhyama, and when you are about to move to panjama, give a throw. Ni ma pa ma. A throw to panjama. So the anusaras are 3 for madhyama. Ni ma pa ma. Then pa panjama step up. Ma pa. Panjama in 2 dirka. Pa. I'll sing in one stretch. Sa ni sa pa ni ma pa ni ga ma pa ma ri sa ni sa ni ri sa ma ga ma pa ni ma pa. Okay. Sa ni sa pa ni ma pa ni ga ma pa ma ri sa ni sa ni ri sa ma ga ma pa ni ma pa. 1 2 ni pa ma ri sa. Next talam, that phrase ni pa ma ri sa ni pa ma ri sa ni pa ma ri sa. One Shadja saying one dirga. Ni nishada. Okay, we let's move in detail. Nishada is having gamaga. Pa sa ni are the anusaras. Ni pa ma panjama madhyama playing. Ni pa ma ri sa ni pa ma. Oh, madhyama is having step down. Ni pa pa ma ni pa ma ri sa. Rashaba vibrato. Sa Shadja one dirka. Then from this Shadja slide of panjama. Pa ma ri sa sa pa slide. Pa ma madhyama pa ma ri sa. Rashaba Shadja almost the same as the previous song. Here also Shadja is having one dirga. Pa ma ri sa ri sa. Then next phrase is ma. Madhyama is having a slide from Shadja. Sa ma ri sa. Rashava is having a step down from Madhyama. Ma ri sa ri sa. Oh, there. Ma ri sa. Make sure you are not hitting Chatur Shuddha Rashaba. Ma ri sa. That Rashaba is having a slide from Shadja. Sa ri sa. Next Shadja having one dirga. Ni sa. Next nishada Shadja. Nishada is having step down. Sa ni sa. Then sa pa ni sa pa. Oh, ni sa one dirka. Then again a Shadja is there. Give a hammer. Ni sa are the anusaras of Shadja. Sa pa panjama plain, it is having one dirka. Second panjama pa sa pa ma pa sa. Shadja higher Shadja having one dirka. Ni pa ma ri sa ma ri sa ni sa pa sa ni pa pa. Oh, that shadja is not a straight shadja. Pa sa, give a slide. Pa sa sa, ni pa pa ma ni. Nishad is having step down. Sa ni pa pa ma ri sa. Madhyam is having pull off. Ma ri sa. Rishabha shadja. Rishabha is having vibrato. Shadja play. Ni pa ma ri sa ma ri sa ni sa pa sa ni pa ma ri sa. Next line, the last line of Chittaswaram. Ri ga ma pa dha ni. That's the Arohana only. Rishabha and Daivada having slide. Rishabha having slide from Shadja. Daivada having slide from Panchama. Sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa ri ga ma pa ni pa dha dha. That's it. Ni play. Ri ga ma pa dha ni. Then sa ri ga ma. That's also Arohana only. Sa ri ga ma. Sa ri. Rishabha having a slide from Shadja. Gandhara playing. Madhyama having Gamaga. Sa ri ga ma ri sa. Madhyama having Gamaga. Gappama. Are the answers of Madhyama. Sa ri ga ma ri sa. Rishabha vibrato. Shadja playing. Sa ri ga ma ri sa ni pa. Nishada step down. Sa ni pa. There, Nishada having step down. Sani. Panjama playing. From this Panjama, Parida. Panjama lift up Rishabha. Then a Shadja comes in. There, Shadja is having Gamaga. Ni pa ri sa ri. From that Sadharana Gandhara's position, which is Chakshu Rishabha here. Sa. Shadja is having a Andhara Gandhara, Chakshu Rishabha, Andhara Gandhara, Shadja. Those are the Anusura. Gari ga sa. That's it. Shadja is having one Durga. Next Shadja playing. Next Nishad is having Pani. Slide from Panjama. Pani, ni, pa. Panjama having Gamaga. Ni sa pa pa. One Dirka also. Sa ni pa. Ri sa ri. Rishabha is having a slide from Shadja. Sa ri sa. Same Shadja. Sa here. Sa. Andhara Gandhara, Chakshu Rishabha, Andhara Gandhara, Shadja. Gari ga sa. Dirka also. Sa ni ma pa ri sa ri ga ma pa dha ni. That's a copy of the starting of this line itself. Or you can consider like the Arohana. Ri ga ma pa dha ni. Rishabha and Daivada having slide. Rishabha having slide from Shadja. Daivada having slide from Panchama. I will sing in one stretch. So the last line of Chittaswaram goes like this. Ri ga ma pa dha ni sa ri ga ma ri sa ni pa ri sa ni pa pa ri sa ri ga ma pa dha ni. Simple. So that's where I'm going to leave you today in the second part. In the third part, I will teach you the Charanam and Charanaswara. Number 1 and 2. Okay, so keep on practicing, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.